Back to Style for Life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a special video for you. It's a triple unboxing, Hermes unboxing, and I'm so very excited. I have not worn any of these as yet. I've been waiting. I have been waiting for a long time. This is why this is so very special. But before we begin, thank you for my old subscribers coming back each and every time to watch my video, and my new recent subscribers. I thank you for joining the family. So let's get started. So I have been wanting, like I mentioned, these braces for a long time. I purchased one earlier, like around April. I haven't worn it because I was waiting for the mate, and my essay said that it has not arrived as yet from Europe. And then I was wanting another one, and she said it was very limited, but she will search for it. So finally, I have all three that I am just excited to have in my collection. But before we begin, I'm wearing this lovely Hermes scarf. I hope I can pronounce it correctly. It's called Hermes Clic Nord, and it's basically cabanas, beach cabanas, and well, not beach cabanas, but cabanas that you would have on the beach. And it's just a beautiful silk scarf, silk carry, and I absolutely love it. Especially the colors are just fitting for spring and summer. And ironically, in my package, my lovely essay was so very thoughtful. She sent me some samples, which I forgot to bring out, but a few samples, which I thought was so thoughtful of her. And she sent me this booklet about the different carrés. So this book will tell you about the different carrés and artists, and will tell you a little bit about a synopsis of what inspired the right here, the carrés. And so each one will just give a little bit about the artists and the different scarves, essentially. So here are just some of the many pictures that are in this cute little booklet. And I'm so happy to have this. So there you have the carrés. Beautiful, beautiful. You know, if I had the money, I would just buy so many of these carrés, but they're simply, simply lovely. So I appreciate this little booklet along with her samples that she sent to me. That was such a warm surprise. I appreciate that so much. But so let's begin on the unboxings, shall we? So the first one I'd like to show you, let me see if I have them in order here. No, I would like to show them kind of in order so that you can understand a little bit of. Okay, I guess we could do these two together. So the first one I got, and of course, as you know, or you may not know, they all come in this beautiful orange box, and I just removed the ribbon. And to reveal, this is called the Animapolis, and I will check with my receipt in a minute just to make sure, in the Palladium. So that's what it looks like. This is an enamel bangle with Palladium. And isn't that lovely? This is size 65, and this is the thinner of the two that I will be showing you. So this is the thinner one, and I just think it's so lovely, the different colors. It has blues and browns and a little bit of white, a little bit of burgundy. Am I holding it straight for you? Burgundy. So I'll spin it around for you to see. So today I went for lunch with my girlfriend, so I had on the Clic Clac bracelet in the white and gold enamel. I am going to remove it so I can try on the bangle for you. Okay, so this is the first item that I'm happy to have. And then the second item, this is the one I was waiting for, that she said it hadn't come from Paris as yet, and it finally came in, and I'm so happy. And this one is the mate to it. So here we have it. Bring it a little closer so you can see details. Let's try to spin it very slowly so you can see it has blue, I think that's a jaguar with the blue dots, and then you have a zebra, and then spinning it around some more. There you go. And this will be perfect for the fall and the winter months, so I could wear it with my grays and blacks. So very beautiful. I love the rich colors. in it, and this one, like I said, is in palladium. So I wanted the set to have both. So this is what it looks like on. Isn't that lovely? So I bought this one first because this one was not available as yet. And then I just recently bought this one. I had to wait about 3 months for this one to come. But they're both same design, similar design. So I wanted the pair because I thought the pair would just look better than just having the one. I thought the pair would just look beautiful to have them both the small and the large. So that's how it looks. I think that I will probably have it the reverse. I would probably put on the larger one first and the small one. That's how I typically like to wear them. But yeah, that's how I would wear it. There we have it. So isn't that lovely? Just simply beautiful. So there we have it, the enamel bracelets. And I will tell you, I'm glad that I brought my glasses out. And I have the receipt here, so I can tell you exactly the name of it and how much it cost. Is it the right one? Let's see if this is the right one here. I believe it's called the Animapolis bracelet, and this is not the receipt either. I must have left the receipt in my bedroom. It's called the Animapolis bracelet, and I believe it was, if I'm not mistaken, $570, $590, no, $590 or $570, but I'll list it below just to make sure I give you the accurate price and the accurate name. I think it's called the Animapolis, and it's in the palladium. So there we go. Now let's open the other bracelet, and I think that I brought that one out. So we have the one I'm going to unbox. I have that receipt here. All right, so let's do that one. Okay, so many boxes here. Okay, here is this box over here for the other one, and this one is this box, and I will unbox it for you. Comes in this beautiful orange box, and I'm very, very happy to have this one in my collection. She said that, Andrea, I think that you need to get this one first because I was planning to get one of the carries like this one, that particular like this one, but a brighter color. That one is called the Animapolis too, but it's a brighter color. And she said, I suggest that you get this bracelet first because there are only a few left in the country. And once it's sold out, it's going to be sold out. So, you know, she said, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm just giving you my advice that you should get this first because you could always get the scarf because it's still online. So I'm happy that I listened to her because I was searching for this color for the longest time, and it is this beautiful blue color. Oh, isn't that color gorgeous? It's not quite the Tiffany blue color, but it's just this blue turquoisey color, and I have seen this color so many times on Pinterest, and I kept on saving it. Like one day I want to get this my daughter, this color. It's just such a stunning color. Most of my other Clic H bracelets are in the very neutral colors, like in whites and beige and blues, but I really, really wanted this particular color. So I'm so happy to find this color. It is so stunning, and I'm going to give you the actual name of this one because I did bring out this receipt, and I'm going to try this one on for you. So here we go. That's my daughter in the background. I guess she knows I'm filming and she doesn't want to disturb me, but I could still see her crawling on the floor. Anyway, so here it is. Isn't it stunning? It is so, so beautiful. I just love the color. I think the color complements me very nicely, and also my scarf. So that's it. And I'm going to give you the name of this one. All right, where did I put that one? So it's not that one. Yes, it's this one. So I brought the right one out. This one is called Clic H gold-plated enamel bracelet, and it's in the color Bleu DU Nord. Bleu DU Nord, and this one retails for $640. So it's called Bleu DU Nord, just in case you want to tell your essay. And Again, this is what it looks like. It is so, so beautiful. I'm so happy that I have this one in my collection. It's just such a beautiful color. And I have a couple scarves that have that same type of blue color. And so it just goes nicely with it. And I just think it's just such a rich looking kind of turquoisey blue color, perfect for vacation, perfect in the summer, in the spring, if you wear whites. It is just so, so beautiful. So there's a better close-up, and I'm going to take it off again so you can see how it looks. So there it is, right there. Just simply love it. It has plastic on because I haven't worn it yet. I haven't worn any of these yet, so that's what it looks like. And then these are my beautiful enamel bracelets. So these are my new Hermes enamel bracelets in Palladium and my Clic H bracelet. So thank you so much for joining me today to do these unboxings. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm just so happy to have it, and I'm thrilled to have this one too going into the fall. The colors are just so rich and just absolutely so beautiful. You have a wonderful day today. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate it. God bless you and have a good one. Bye-bye.